Hello, welcome to Tony's Bonsai. I wasn't going to shoot a video today because it's raining outside, but I just received a delivery through the post and I thought, why not show everybody what I've purchased? I've opened the box just to see what it was, but I've not actually opened the parcels yet. Oh, exciting. 1, 2, and a biggie. I'm sure you'll have a good idea what's in here, and I'm going to start off with the smallest package, this one. Let's have a look. And this is not a paid promotion. I just ordered this online as anybody can. I'll tell you how much they all cost in a moment. So it's all nicely packaged, this. I'm quite impressed with that. And there we go, upside down. And what does it look like? Lovely. Oh, I'm very happy with that. I've got various trees that need to go into bonsai pots this year. So I thought I'd get a few in stock because they do go out of stock later on. This is a lovely cream colour, as you can see. It's got some nice sort of texture to the glaze out there. And I think that's a beautiful pot for £17. So now we've got the medium sized one. I'll try and open this with a bit more skill. Ooh, I was close to the pot with a knife there. But I've not marked it. Oh yes, lovely. A nice black pot, rectangular. So this is lovely again, nice size. You know, I'll be able to get a nice tree in here. Possibly one of my maples. Lovely. Nice holes as well for wire. Now for the last pot. Those two previous ones were both £17. This one is bigger and it was, I think, £35. So more money, but you know, it's a bigger pot hopefully anyway. That's what I've ordered. Again, really nicely packaged, loads of cardboard. Oh, this looks good. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Now that is a beautiful pot. The glaze on this has got some subtle texture. It is very subtle, but it's kind of like got almost like a darkness to it. It's a lovely oval. Nice depth. And I think I'll probably put one of my group plantings in here, possibly my maple group planting, and that's just gorgeous. I'll tell you where I've got these pots from in a second, but first of all, if any of my regular viewers have got any suggestions for which of my trees might look good in any of these pots, please, you know, put it in the comments, let me know. And the company that I bought it from is called Premier Bonsai. So it's premierbonsai.co.uk. They've got a whole range of pots. They've got some premium pots. They've got cheaper ones like this. And I just think it's fantastic that there's places selling affordable bonsai pots because, I mean, I love £150 and £200 beautiful pots, but I just can't afford them. Whereas this gives me at least something to put some of my trees in. So I'm going to put a link below the video if you want to head over there. And I'm probably doing myself a disservice really, because when I need pots they'll all be sold out. But get over there if you want to, if you're in the UK and you want something affordable. I couldn't be happier with the quality. I think they're gorgeous. That's me done for today. Just a quick one. Thanks for joining me as always. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.